Hi everybody! Now today we're going to be doing our spelling test. So our words today end in the nk sound. Okay? So our first word, number 1, is blink. 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 You can pause the video here if you want some more time to write it down. Okay, number 2 is sink. I wash my hands in the sink. Okay. Number 3, junk. Junk. It's another word for rubbish. Junk. Number 4, bank. I put my money in the bank. Bank. Number 5, think. Think. Number 6, wink. Wink. It's when you blink with one eye. Wink. Number 7, drink. Can I have a drink? Number 8, trunk. The elephant had a long trunk. Number 9, pink. I like the colour pink. Number 10, chunk. Chunk. Can I have a chunk of pineapple? Okay. Now you can pause the video here or go back to any words that you might have missed. And I'm going to go through how we spell them now. Okay? So number 1, blink. This is how we spell it. Okay? B-L-I-N-K. Blink. Number 2, sink. S-I-N-K. Sink. Number 3, junk. J-O-N-K. Junk. Number 4, bank. B-A-N-K. Bank. Number 5, think. I-N-K. Think. Got 2 special friends there. And ink. Number 6, wink. W-I-N-K. Wink. Number 7, drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Now sometimes it sounds like drink, like ch, drink, like, or a j sound, but the d and the r together make the drink sound. Sometimes when we're saying it quickly it sounds like a j, drink. Number 8, trunk. T-R-U-N-K. Trunk. This sounds like a little bit like a ch sound. Trunk. It's a t. Trunk. Okay. Number 9, pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. And number 10, chunk. Ch-O-N-K. Chunk. Okay? Now, if you want to, you can go back to revisit any of the words that you weren't sure how to spell or that you might have missed. And well done, everybody. I will see you on Monday. Can't wait. Bye.